So today's my last day in Mokpo. Tomorrow I catch the ferry back to Jeju. Seeing as I've seen most of the things in Mokpo before, I'm doing a bit of a cultural tour. I've seen the Museum of Natural History, which is really fascinating, and now I'm just going up for one of the walks up the mountain. See what I can see. It's 20 degrees today, it's the warmest ever, and I've actually got my coat off, just in a t-shirt, and it is really warm. I've done this walk before, but it's a nice, easy nature walk. This is the one where each walk tells you how many calories you lose. So I've just lost 210, which is half a Big Mac. Now I'm going to try and lose another 140, which could be tonight's Big Mac. 350 calories worth. A little bit of a rope climb. Follow the yellow brick road, or in this case follow the knotted rope, just to get the view. That's what you call a concrete jungle. These people were working here about 2 hours ago and just getting rid of all the grass by hand. This is all their work. I mean, this is going to grow again in a couple of days. That's the grass clippings they've used. That's a slow way of doing it. This is called Dalcion Park. There's a bit of sculpture in here, and there's a bit of botanical gardens, I think. So go for a walk and see. Most of the blossoms are finished now, falling. The leaves are all coming out. Weather has brought everything out now. Follow the steps. Okay, Botanical Gardens, point 2. Soyoyong, whatever that is. Okay. I guess this is the Botanical Gardens. Botanical Gardens. Snowing. There's my hotel.